Hello everybody, this is Dave Harrow with the Harrow Home Team, bringing you another in our series of videos on the home buying process. Today we're going to talk about making an offer on the first home. When you're ready to make an offer, there's a number of factors we need to take into consideration, and we're going to talk about those today. Among those is how long the house has been on the market. Is it brand new, just on the market, or has been sitting for a while? The location of the house that you want to make an offer on, and the condition of a house that you want to make an offer on. All those will factor into the price we're going to come up with. Before we can come up with a price, we have to look at comps in the area, what other houses have sold for, to make sure we're in line and not going too high or too low, because that will affect your ability to win the deal, especially if there are multiple offers. Another thing that we need to take into consideration is the market in general. Is it a seller's market or is it a buyer's market? If it's a seller's market, then we're going to have to be much more aggressive in the offer we made, because most likely there will be multiple offers on the same house. If it's a buyer's market, we can be much more discretionary in the price we come up with, because we're going to have a lot less competition, and the seller will have to meet us halfway in order to close the deal. Once we identify if it's a buyer's market or a seller's market, that'll start off the process of evaluating what we should make our offer to be. This is Dave Harrow with the Harrow Home Team. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to it. And if you have any suggestions for other videos, please put it in the comment section. We'll be happy to create them for you. Again, our website is www.harrowteam.com, and our telephone number is 817-980-2641. We look forward to working with you in the future. All the best. Bye.